Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. I am Ben from the United States. I am happy you are here. I am your teacher today. Today I will talk about packing for a trip. This is the main topic for today. We will learn simple words and simple sentences. We will practice speaking and listening. The words are useful for travel. The phrases are easy to say. Packing is a little task. Packing can be fun. Packing can be simple if you plan. I will show you a plan. I will show you a list. I will show you how to say the words. I will give many examples. I will give practice time. You can repeat after me. You can pause the video and repeat any sentence. First, the plan. Step 1, make a list. Step 2, choose a bag. Step 3, sort your clothes. Step 4, pack important items. Step 5, check the weight. Step 6, lock your bag if you want. Step 7, enjoy your trip. Now some words for bags. Use simple words. Suitcase is a big bag on wheels. Carry-on is a small bag for the plane. Backpack is a bag for your back. Duffel bag is a soft bag. Purse is a small bag for your things. Wallet keeps money and cards. Toiletry bag keeps soap and brush. Packing cube is a small box for clothes inside a bag. Repeat after me, suitcase. Repeat after me, carry-on. Repeat after me, backpack. Repeat after me, duffel bag. Repeat after me, purse. Repeat after me, wallet. Repeat after me, toiletry bag. Repeat after me, packing cube. You can pause the video and repeat the words again. Now words for clothes. Shirt is for the top. Pants are for the legs. Shorts are for warm weather. Dress is one piece for women or men who like dresses. Skirt is a short dress for the bottom. Socks go on your feet. Underwear goes under the clothes. Jacket is for cold weather. Coat is for very cold weather. Shoes are for the feet. Sandals are open shoes. Hat protects from sun. Swimsuit is for the water. Pajamas are for sleep. Repeat after me, shirt. Repeat after me, pants. Repeat after me, shorts. Repeat after me, dress. Repeat after me, skirt. Repeat after me, socks. Repeat after me, underwear. Repeat after me, jacket. Repeat after me, coat. Repeat after me, shoes. Repeat after me, sandals. Repeat after me, hat. Repeat after me, swimsuit. Repeat after me, pajamas. Now words for toiletries and health. Toothbrush is for teeth. Toothpaste is for the brush. Soap is for the body. Shampoo is for the hair. Conditioner is for smooth hair. Deodorant keeps you fresh. Razor is for shaving. Towel is for dry. Medicine is for health. Bandage is for small wounds. Sunscreen protects skin. Hand sanitizer cleans hands. Repeat after me, toothbrush. Repeat after me, toothpaste. Repeat after me, soap. Repeat after me, shampoo. Repeat after me, conditioner. Repeat after me, deodorant. Repeat after me, razor. Repeat after me, towel. Repeat after me, medicine. Repeat after me, bandage. Repeat after me, sunscreen. Repeat after me, hand sanitizer. Now the things you must pack. Passport is very important if you travel by plane to another country. ID card is important for travel inside a country. Tickets show your travel time. Credit card or cash pay for things. Phone helps you call and take pictures. Charger charges your phone. Camera can take better photos. Headphones play music. Adapter helps plug in a device in another country. Travel insurance helps if you get sick. Repeat after me, passport. Repeat after me, ID card. Repeat after me, tickets. Repeat after me, credit card. Repeat after me, cash. Repeat after me, phone. Repeat after me, charger. Repeat after me, camera. Repeat after me, headphones. Repeat after me, adapter. Repeat after me, travel insurance. Now simple packing tips. Tip 1, roll your clothes. Rolling saves space. Tip 2. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes keep things tidy. Tip 3. Put heavy items near the wheels of the suitcase. Tip 4. Put shoes in plastic or in a shoe bag. Tip 5. Put liquids in a clear bag. Tip 6. Keep a small bag for dirty clothes. Tip 7. Carry a change of clothes in your carry-on if your bag is lost. Repeat after me. Roll your clothes. Repeat after me. Use packing cubes. Repeat after me. Heavy items near the wheels. Repeat after me. Put shoes in a bag. Repeat after me. Liquids in a clear bag. Repeat after me. Carry a change of clothes in my carry-on. Now rules for liquids on the plane. Small bottles only. 1 bag for liquids in the carry-on is fine. Each bottle is 100 milliliters or less. Put the bag in an easy place in your carry-on. Show the bag at security. Keep medicine in your carry-on. Pack creams and liquids in checked luggage if you can. Repeat after me, small bottles only. Repeat after me, 1 bag for liquids. Repeat after me, show the bag at security. Repeat after me, keep medicine in carry-on. Now how to make a checklist. Use a paper or an app on your phone. Write the things you need. Check each thing as you pack. Make a list for each day of the trip. Make a list for important documents. Make a list for electronics. Make a list for clothes. You will not forget when you check the list. Repeat after me, make a checklist. Repeat after me, check each item as you pack. Repeat after me, list for documents. Repeat after me, list for electronics. Repeat after me, list for clothes. Now some sentences you can use. I will say each sentence slowly. You can repeat after me. You can pause the video and repeat the sentence. Repeat after me, I need a suitcase for my trip. Repeat after me, I will pack my clothes tonight. Repeat after me, I will put my charger in my carry-on. Repeat after me, I will pack my passport in my travel bag. Repeat after me, I will roll my shirts to save space. Repeat after me, I will wear my heavy coat on the plane. Repeat after me, I need a small bag for liquids. Repeat after me, I will lock my suitcase. Now some simple questions and answers for travel. Practice speaking with the phrases. Repeat after me. Where is the baggage claim? When do I pick up my luggage? How much does this bag weigh? Is this a carry-on bag? Do I need to pay for extra baggage? Where is the check-in desk? What time does the flight leave? Now the answers. Repeat after me. The baggage claim is on level 2. You pick up your luggage at the carousel. The bag weighs 23 kilograms. Yes, this is a carry-on bag. You may need to pay for extra baggage. The check-in desk is near the entrance. The flight leaves at 9 in the morning. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and repeat. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I travel for work and fun. I like to meet new people. I like to learn new words. I am happy to meet you. What is your name? I am glad to meet you. Nice to meet you. Now a short monologue conversation that you can use when you meet someone at the airport or on the plane. I will speak as if I meet a person next to me. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am going to Paris for 5 days. I have 1 suitcase and 1 backpack. I like to take photos and eat good food. What is your name? The person says, hello, my name is Anna. She is from Spain. She will be in Paris for 3 days. She likes walking in the city. We talk about our plans. We share tips on places to visit. We swap phone numbers to keep in touch. You can pause the video and repeat each line after me. Now a practice for introducing yourself to hotel staff. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is Ben. I have a reservation. My name is Ben. I booked a room for 3 nights. I would like a room with a window. Is breakfast included? Thank you. Now practice for asking at security. Repeat after me. Where do I put my laptop? Do I need to take off my shoes? Do I need to take out my liquids? I will take out my phone. Is this line for international flights? Now some tips for light packing. Choose clothes you can mix and match. Use neutral colors that go well together. Pick 3 shirts and 2 pants for a short trip. Add 1 good outfit for a night out. Or the heavy shoes on the plane. Take 1 pair of sandals. Take small bottles of shampoo and soap. Wear the jacket on the plane. Bring a scarf that can be a blanket on the plane. Take only the electronics you need. Repeat after me, mix and match clothes. Repeat after me, choose neutral colors. Repeat after me, wear heavy shoes on the plane. Repeat after me, take small bottles of shampoo. Repeat after me, take a scarf that is warm. Now tips for safety and documents. Keep a copy of your passport in your phone. Keep a paper copy in your bag. Give your trip details to a friend or family. Keep emergency numbers in your phone. Know the local emergency number. Keep a list of your medicine. Tell the hotel if you have allergies. Keep cash in 2 places. Use a money belt for safety. Repeat after me, copy of my passport in my phone. Repeat after me, give trip details to a friend. Repeat after me, keep emergency numbers in my phone. Repeat after me, keep cash in 2 places. Repeat after me, use a money belt for safety. Now a quick packing checklist you can read out loud. Passport or ID. Travel tickets. Credit card and cash. Phone and charger. Laptop or tablet. Headphones. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Soap and shampoo. Change of clothes. Jacket or coat. Shoes and sandals. Socks and underwear. Medicine and bandage. Glasses or contact lenses. Camera and charger. Adapter and power bank. Lock for the suitcase. Travel insurance. Small bag for liquids. Snacks for the trip. Repeat after me, passport or ID. Repeat after me, travel tickets. Repeat after me, phone and charger. Repeat after me, change of clothes in my carry-on. Repeat after me, adapter and power bank. Repeat after me, snacks for the trip. Now some short role-play ideas for practice. Idea 1: you are at the hotel. Practice saying hello and giving your name for the reservation. Idea 2: you are at the airport and ask where the gate is. Idea 3: you meet a person on the plane and ask about their trip. Idea 4: you ask the taxi driver to take you to your hotel. Idea 5: you ask a shopkeeper for the price of an item. Example role play 1. You say, hello, my name is Ben. I have a reservation under Ben. The receptionist says, welcome, Mr. Ben. Your room is ready. Here is your key. You say thank you. You are happy. Example role play 2. You say, excuse me, where is gate 23? The agent says gate 23 is to the left. You say thank you very much. You are on time. You can pause the video and practice these role plays. Repeat each line. Try to speak slowly. Try to use the simple words you learned. Now more practice sentences for packing. Repeat after me, I will pack my charger in my carry-on. Repeat after me, I will pack a sweater for the evening. Repeat after me, I will pack a swimsuit for the pool. Repeat after me, I will pack my toothbrush and toothpaste. Repeat after me, I will keep my passport in a safe place. Repeat after me, I will write a list and check each item. Now some final travel phrases. Repeat after me, I have a reservation. Repeat after me, I need a taxi to the hotel. Repeat after me, can you help me with my luggage? Do you speak English? I need a map of the city. I have a lost bag. I need to call the embassy. Repeat after me, I have a reservation. Repeat after me, I need a taxi to the hotel. Repeat after me, do you speak English? Repeat after me, I have a lost bag. Now small reminders before you leave. Check the weather where you go. Check the power plug type for that country. Charge all devices the night before. Leave some space in your bag for souvenirs. Check the weight limit for luggage. Print or download your tickets and boarding pass. Put important items in your carry-on. Tell someone your travel plan. Get to the airport early. Repeat after me, check the weather. Repeat after me, check the plug type. Repeat after me, charge all devices. Repeat after me, leave space for souvenirs. Repeat after me, put important items in my carry-on. Repeat after me, get to the airport early. Now a final practice. I will say a long sentence slowly. Listen and repeat after each part. I will pack my passport and my tickets in my carry-on. I will pack a change of clothes in my carry-on. I will roll my shirts and use packing cubes. I will put my shoes in a plastic bag. I will keep my medicine with me. I will lock my checked bag. I will check my bag weight before I leave. I will enjoy my trip. You can pause the video and repeat each sentence after me. You can practice many times. Practice makes your speech better. Thank you for listening and practicing with me today. I am Ben from the United States. I hope you feel ready to pack for your next trip. Remember, simple words and small steps make packing easy. You can do this. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.